Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have watched the previous lesson video and you have revised everything that you have learned. Do rhyme and revise the days of the week as well, just as Peer, Mangal, Budh, Jumerat, Jumma, Hafta or Etwar, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, Peer, Mangal, Budh, Jumerat, Jumma, Hafta or Etwar. Alright? Rhyme and revise. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. You can see some pictures in front of you. Let's learn to say all of these in Urdu. Let's learn what are these called in Urdu. Okay? We say star in English, and in Urdu it is sitara. Sitara. Star, sitara. Then in English we say rain. Rain. And in Urdu it is barish. 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 Rain, barish. Then in English we say sun, and in Urdu it is suraj. 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 Sun, suraj. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say star, in Urdu it is sitara. Then in English we say rain, and in Urdu it is barish. Then in English we say sun, and in Urdu it is suraj. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say this one. In English we say this one, and in Urdu it is ye wala, ye wala, ye wala. Then we answer and say if that's the one, then we say yes, this one. Yes, this one, right? And in Urdu it is ji, ye wala. Ji, ye wala. Or if that's not the one, then we say no, not this one. And in Urdu it is nahi, ye wala nahi. Nahi, ye wala nahi. Okay? And then we can always replace this with that, okay? Depending on the position of the thing, okay? We can always replace ye with wo in Urdu and this with that in English. So how it would be? Let's practice, okay? So the question could be that one, and in Urdu it's going to be wo wala. And if the answer is yes, then we are going to say yes, that one. And in Urdu it would be ji, wo wala. Ji, wo wala. Okay? Or if that's not the one, then we are going to say no, not that one. And in Urdu it would be nahi, wo wala nahi. Alright? Now let's repeat one more time. This one, in English we say that, and in Urdu, ye wala. In answer we say yes, this one. And in Urdu it is ji, ye wala. Ji, ye wala. Or if the answer is no, then we say no, not this one. And in Urdu it is nahi, ye wala nahi. Nahi, ye wala nahi. Okay? Repeat and practice. Okay? Alright. So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I'll see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Take care. And yes, revise many times for better practice. Allah Hafiz.